Soil erosion is a significant concern for gardeners, as it can diminish the fertility of the soil and damage the overall health of plants. Fortunately, there are various measures you can take to prevent soil erosion and maintain a thriving garden. Implementing these strategies will not only safeguard the soil, but also contribute to the long-term sustainability of your garden. 1. Mulching. Mulching is an effective method to prevent soil erosion. Cover the soil with organic mulch, such as wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves. This protective layer acts as a barrier against the impact of rain, minimizing the force that can dislodge soil particles. Additionally, mulch helps to retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and reduce weed growth, enhancing the overall health of your garden. 2. Plant ground cover. Introduce ground cover plants that have spreading and intertwining roots, effectively holding the soil in place. Species like creeping thyme, low-growing clover, or certain types of grasses create a dense network of roots, which stabilizes the soil and prevents erosion. These plants also add visual appeal to your garden while serving a crucial purpose. 3. Terracing and contouring. For gardens situated on a slope or hilly terrain, terracing and contouring can effectively reduce the speed of water runoff. By creating terraces or planting along the contours of the land, you can slow down water flow and allow it to infiltrate the soil. This method helps to prevent the rapid washing away of topsoil and aids in retaining moisture, nurturing the plants. 4. Establish windbreaks. Strong winds can accelerate soil erosion. Planting windbreaks like shrubs, trees, or hedgerows strategically around the garden can minimize the impact of wind. Windbreaks act as a shield, reducing the force of winds that can displace soil and dry out the garden. They also create a microclimate that protects plants from harsh weather conditions. 5. Implement proper drainage. Ensure proper drainage in your garden to avoid water accumulation, which can lead to erosion. Constructing swales, French drains, or installing proper gutter systems can efficiently direct water away from vulnerable areas and prevent soil erosion caused by excessive water flow. 6. Avoid overtilling and compaction. Overtilling and soil compaction disrupt the natural structure of the soil, making it more susceptible to erosion. Minimize excessive tilling and avoid heavy machinery on the soil, as this can destroy its natural composition. Instead, use gardening tools that disturb the soil as little as possible to maintain its integrity. 7. Regular maintenance and observation. Regularly inspect your garden for signs of erosion. Be attentive to any areas where the soil seems to be washing away or where water tends to accumulate. Swiftly address these issues by reinforcing the soil with additional measures like planting, mulching, or redirecting water flow. Preventing soil erosion in your garden requires a combination of thoughtful planning, consistent maintenance, and the use of appropriate techniques. By implementing these strategies, you can maintain the health and productivity of your garden while safeguarding the soil against erosion.